Okay guys, I was trying to show you I'm starting with a white board from the Dollar Tree, but the camera was having a heck of a time. It didn't have anything to focus on. So what I've got here is a whiteboard from the Dollar Tree, and I've cut off about, that much of it. So maybe 3 or 4 inches. All right, and so now we have the smaller board. And I'll be able to utilize what I cut off in other crafts. Now, we're going old school here. Remember the old floats that people used to decorate with tissues? What I'm doing is I can get about 3 letters on each board. And the boards are 30 inches long. So this will end up being a really long banner. Probably 15 to 20 feet. It's going to make a big impact. It's going to say Celebrate Jesus, which is the title of this year's Bible School. And what I did, over here you can see the letter L that I've just sketched down onto my board, okay? I took a pencil and poked some holes through that letter L. And I went ahead and used my little bits of green tissue paper, and I just pinched them together. Let me show you the back of this. Pinched them together and pulled them through. Okay. I did the green first so that I could make sure my letter was visible. Okay. Now once, so as you can see by the L, we've drawn it on, we've poked the holes. The letter E, we've gone ahead and we've poked in the green paper. Over to the C. Once the letter is in there, then you can take tissue and just do the same thing. I randomly, go back to the back, poked holes through and pulled the tissue through. Okay, so I'm going to continue to work on the board, but I wanted you to see if you was wanting to make a huge impact with your sign. You know, you don't have to just cut out letters or, you know, something like that. Although there's nothing wrong with that, believe me. Making a banner with the letters on the banner cut out of paper, totally cute. You could even double back the letters to give it more color. You could put glitter on the letters. There's lots of things you can do with just paper. But this is just an alternative, another decoration that you could do. If it was a birthday party, maybe you would do the child's name like this or something like that. So again, any of the ideas that I come up with, I'm wanting to share them with you just to reiterate that you can have a fantastic, impactful decoration without spending a lot of money. Okay, and the kids just love stuff like this. So it makes my day to see their eyes get big when they see the decorations. So anyway, once I get the banner done, I'll be sure and post that as well. But this is where we're at so far. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, guys.